say a couple facts. Bitches cutting style, she ain't know how to act. And niggas playing gas, I tell it, call it couple slap. Now he humble, he ain't looking for no trouble. You're looking for a while, you're gonna end up as a rebel. You better know your place when you come up to my face, cause I ain't got no time to waste. Got a thing on my waist, so don't even get me pissed. You're gonna end up on the list, sitting down, reminisce. Why you gotta be like this? Why you gotta be like this? Why you gotta be like this? I'm sick of this shit, I think I'm losing fit. So I gonna make a hit, they know how it is. You know studio gonna be lit, to make a fuck nigga hit. To make a fuck nigga hit.